you adjust that one more time, I swear I'll file a restraining order for you against you.
How do you always look so effortlessly good?
Because I actually don't put any effort. I don't care what others think. Don't know why you stress so much. It's okay to have fun, you know?
Maybe not that kind of fun.
It's not like you're signing up for a cult.
I'd argue with that.
That's my girl. I love your writing. Do you remember that story that you wrote about the, what was it?
Hey Olivia, is your love life as fictional? Sorry.
I don't see a girl near you, jackass. Guess having no game isn't just a tennis problem for you.
Shut up, dude!
You good, or do I need to fight a tennis bro?
I'm fine.
You can't be serious.
The newspaper's better for my resume anyways.
Girl, it's an Ivy League. You could write existing and they'd be like, brilliant. Don't let them get to your head.
Actually?
Okay, can we go now before you sign up for law review? Because I'm not doing that.
Guys, don't forget to send me your stories before 10 p.m. today, sharp. And don't forget, it has to be a non-fiction story, Mark. That means to lay off the drama talk unless you don't want me to cause it. I have to send everything to our layout guy before tomorrow. That's it.
You okay?
Yeah, I just wanted to say before I forget, I'm really glad that you joined the newspaper. I think your writing is incredible.
Thanks. Also, I didn't know you were the editor-in-chief. I promise I will be on my best behavior, Chief.
Wow, that was awkward.
Was it? At least he called me Chief.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think he's into dominant women?
Define dominant.
As he traps her against the wall and grabs her cheek. Ugh, that's a felony. What? I'm not trying to write a vampire fanfiction or something. I am literally so cringe. Lily, that's not helping. I can't believe a week has gone by and I haven't seen him at all. Well, except for that tennis match they lost. Yeah. Wait, give me 1 second. I'll call you right back.
This is scandalous. They're gonna get in trouble.
I hope not. I want to know what happens next.
I am universally fond. I tried to grab as many as I could, but most of them are gone. Why would I draw him? That is so freaking creepy. That is so freaking creepy.
I mean, yeah.
Stop making fun of me.
I can't.
Lily, you have to take the authorship. I can't lose this position. I can't embarrass myself like that.
Oh, and I can?
Okay, I know I'm being an asshole, but I don't have a choice.
Of course you have a choice. What are you so scared of? If it makes you feel any better, it's a very well-written story. You can be on R-rated parts. I'd be proud. You have a talent, you know.
But they're going to laugh at me. They're going to think I'm some kind of pervert.
Hell yeah, you are.
You're not helping. Do you understand? Dylan will never talk to me again. I will become the dregs of society. Lily, please help. Please help.
Stop it. Don't you see that was the push you needed? And stop begging. You're making me feel like an asshole.
Because you are being an asshole right now.
Excuse me?
Okay, not actually, but I will write all of your English essays for the rest of the semester.
I'm not paying with my dignity for that.
Lily, please, 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 please.
Olivia, what the heck is this? Didn't you say specifically non-fiction? I mean, let me just read. I will stop pretending I am the golden boy. You will stop pretending you don't like me. Aurelia's heart skipped a beat.
Oh, okay. Everybody take your seats. I'll explain shortly. I know you all have questions, but this was, planned. I thought that we'd try something new for the newspaper, and Lily showed me her story, and I was so impressed. I thought it'd be great to change the direction of the newspaper.
Liv, tell them the truth.
Change the direction? It's literally corn.
Well, someone has strong opinions. At least we got some publicity. Didn't you see? The whole school is trying to get a copy.
So you liked the story?
Well, it's a very well-written story. Plus, the main character is quite handsome. I actually thought it was you because I thought I recognized your style.
Oh yeah, very well written. Thanks, Dylan, but it was actually me. I'm sorry I didn't bring it up last meeting, but hey, newspapers don't always have to be serious, right? Every newspaper has published a corn story at least once. Just look at the politics section.
Okay, let's settle down. We'll see what type of response the story provokes and see if we need to change any formatting. For now, get ready to pitch your story ideas for the week.
Hey, I have an idea. One guy, 7 girls.
Mark! Thank you, everyone. Keep up the good work.
Dylan, I'm so sorry. I swear the cap thing was not intentional. Well, at least not consciously.
I actually thought it was a cute touch. It wouldn't hit me as hard without the drawing.
Well, I always aim for some good drama. But, you know, I'm glad my subconscious has good taste.
That's sweet. Would you want to go out for coffee tonight? I kind of want to know what happens next in the story.
I don't. Actually, sure. I'm free tonight. Why not?
Cool.
Dylan!
What is it, Liv? You have something else to say about my story?
No, it was great. You guys have fun. I'll see you guys next week.
So he said, someone's got strong opinions, and I put so many pills in his coffee it could kill a horse. You seriously want to write corn now? Did Lily inspire you?
Oh, fuck off, Mark. It was my story.